I'll show you a little bit of how I've made this one, this stabby one. Got the Phrygian dominant on, so that just limits the notes I can use, and it makes it a little bit more densified. And got this stab fog I've created out of. This is the harmonic one. This is in the February presets, but I've distorted it so it's quite crunchy. And this one is the stab fog. It's 2 sine waves, randoms down. Got +4 octaves, -4 semitones. Got the wub on there. And then I've got the distortion, asim, got the comb, and the notes I've typed in, some of them are really low, and what I sort of did was put the compression on there. If you look through what I've got the compression on limit mode. If you put that to full, got a bit of a boost here, the hyper, and I do believe I have got this one on 8 bars on the comb, so when it stabs it's picking a different point, sort of randomising it each time. But what I'm going to do, get this fresh serum here, and let's try some fogs. Another fog, so we'll go for 2 sine waves, random down. I like to put that there. Cool, so I've got a D note down there. Put this up to try this one, +3. But then it's got, I think we need to go down a bit. Just to match with it. Sometimes it's random, it's not really following any musical notes or anything. I'm just doing it by ear. But that seems to work. Distort, we'll try asim again because it was quite good. Get the wub on there. Cool, maybe. Release time, put it on envelope. Cool, let's try. First of all, we could just try normal filter. It's quite good. Try the chorus before. And we like to wet it up before it goes into the drive. Hyper to detune it. And then detune this as well. Cool, got this one here, one of the presets, and then I've got a load of short bass, so let me just join this. This is quite a bit subbier. Short on that one. So I'm just building up the patterns with different stabs and stuff at the minute. Put a saturator. Relax the track. And the reason I relax the track is to try and recreate like a band feel, milliseconds out, and it just allows the transients to hit at separate points, making a little bit more clarity, and it just gets it a bit more live feel. Cool, so that's quite nice mids. I join that up, Command and G, then Command and R to name it mids. And what you can do is Command and T, label this mids audio. And what we're going to do is send this here instead of master. Send it to mids audio. Then on mids audio, click in. In. Is that going on? Okay. I don't know why that's happening. Alright. Okay, forget that. Master. Okay, so now we've got this here. We'll put a little bit of glue on it. I don't even really want to see that moving. That's enough, and then I'm going to use the gate to sidechain the kick through. So sidechain, and it's short punch kick. All these are in the free sample pack, links below. Make sure you press flip, and then the attack lets the kick through, and that's the length of the time it takes for the bass to come back. And the floor, that takes away the effect, and that's the most extreme. Cool. Also, what you might want to do is a bit of stereo imagery. Get a few widers. That one's like that. I've got one already. But anyway, for this demonstration, I'll put one here as well. Try it on this one. But we want a different width now. Cool. Add this one to here. It's nice and wide. Cool, let's have a listen. Maybe we want to get it like that so it's a bit more rhythmical. Maybe we just cut this out. So it's got a bit of gaps in it. Give this a go. And then a really quick way to get the build up going, what you can do is stick this here. And we're just going to automate that, so press this one here, click this again, and it's on the master, isn't it? It's there. And then you right click here, show automation, and turn it off. Talk you through these drums real quick. So we've got the hats. The hat's a phase plant noise. We've got this smoking a blunt break, which I've EQ'd. Just adds a nice realness to it. Clap here, I've got the M bit, and it is a little harsh, that one. Give it a bit of a dip. yeah, we might want to layer that up with a clap, to be honest with you. Also, yeah, we've got another clap. This is the kick, short punch kick from the pack. And what I did was, with the claps, I've gone like this, and I've made it really short on the transients, so it's beats, transients, 1 arrow, shortened it all. And then I think I stuck the transient on it. No, I didn't. Right, cool, so I'll give you one more listen.